Hello guys, welcome back to on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you if you are going to install Windows 11 in your PC or you are creating virtual machine with Windows 11 but you can't install Windows 11 in your PC or you cannot create virtual machine with Windows 11 and it's giving your PC doesn't meet system requirement. That's why can't install Windows 11 in your PC or in virtual machine. So how we can avoid this message or how we can fix this message? So I'm going to show you. So I will create virtual machine. So same procedure for system and virtual machine. Let's open VM workstation player. Create a new virtual machine. Click on next. Click on installer disk image file. Select your image file. I have on my desktop. So open. Then click on next. It's showing last time saved name. So we can rename this virtual machine name. I will put Windows 11. Here you can browse the location where you want to save. So I am going to save on my PC desktop. Click on OK. Then click on next. Here it's asking for virtual machine memory or storage. So I am going to put 500. Then I will click on next. So here it's asking for RAM. So I will change RAM because Windows 11 will run minimum with 4 GB. So I will change RAM. Processor is okay. So close it. Then click on finish. Power on this virtual machine. Okay. So click on next. It's asking for language. So here is asking for keyboard setting. Next. They're asking I would like to install Windows 11 or prepare my PC. I'm going to install Windows 11. So agree with everything. Then click on next. Here asking for product key. So I don't have a product key. Click here. Okay, here asking Windows version or Windows edition which you want to install. I'm going to install Windows 11 Pro. Then click on next. You can see guys, this PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirement to install this version of Windows. For more information visit Microsoft website system requirement. Okay, so I will close it. We'll start again. Okay. Now press function key shift and F10. It will open from command prompt. So right here, select it and enter. So open HKey local machine. System, then setup. So right click on setup, then new and key. Right here, lab, config. Right here, configure. You need to put complete configure or configuration. Only put config. And right click here. And new, then db word 32-bit value. And right here, bypass RAM check. Copy this. Then again new and again same db word 32-bit value. Right here, bypass TPM check. Then again new, right click and new, then db word 32-bit value. Here right, bypass cure, boot check. Okay. Then double click on bypass RAM check, put 1 and then OK. Double click on TPM 1 value data and then click on OK. Then double click on bypass secure boot value, secure boot check, then put 1 and click on OK. Okay. Guys, remember the spelling sequence and which word is capital, starting from capital. Remember this all things. Then close it. How? We'll click on next. Next. Select this, agree everything. Next. I don't have a product key, click here. Select Windows version what you want to install. I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro. Next. So guys, now you can see that message not coming now. Now we can install Windows 11. Accept this. I will show you complete procedure. Okay, then again click on next. install. So guys, now you can see installation of Windows 11 is started. So guys, Windows installation almost going to finish. So guys, now window features getting ready. All installation is completed. Now we'll start the window setup. So guys, let's start the window setup. On yes. Then again click on yes. Skip. Now guys, it's checking for the updates. Even we are installing the latest version of Windows, still it will check the updates while installing. So guys, now it's asking for PC name. I am going to give yes. Next. So select setup for the personal use. Then click on next. Now it's again checking for the window update. So I will put my Microsoft account. Now it will send one code on your Gmail account or Microsoft account. That code you need to put here. You need to create the PIN. Click on OK. Next. Accept. Now all setup almost finished. Now window getting ready. So skip this step. Skip this one also. It's asking for you want to connect with your mobile device, your Windows setup. So at the moment we don't want. Skip. Not now. Decline Microsoft 365. Decline. then click on next. Skip for now. Now all setup is finished. Now window going to start now. It's preparing the desktop. So guys, now our VM is ready to use. So all setup is finished. So this way you can make Windows 11 virtual machine, or you can install in your PC Windows 11. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos and like. Thank you. Bye bye.